Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Mira from Kpop Demon Hunter in Dress to Impress. First of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and you're going to make it only bangs, and then this hairstyle from the Madoka set, you're going to make it stiff and remove the bangs and the bows. Okay, and you're going to put on this hairstyle as well, make it no bangs and make it pink. And then you're going to put on this necklace, make it this color, and this necklace as well, and also this boots, make it like this. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to the dressing room and I'm going to put on the sleeves from the witch set, this one, and make it white, and then you're going to make it glitter. And you're going to put on the item from Valentine's update, this jacket, and remove everything, and then you're going to make it white and make it glitter. Okay, and you're going to put on item from the petal update, this one, make it glitter, and then you're going to make it this color, this yellow color. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to put on this skirt and make it white, and then I'm going to put on this belt. Oops, sorry, not this one guys, I'm going to take it off. I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to put on this belt. Okay, done. And I'm going to go to the top area and put on this top, and then we're going to make it black. Then I'm going to go to this area. I'm going to put on this jeans, the short jeans, and make it black. And let's move to the VIP room and I'm going to put on this skirt and make it this gold color and make it glitter. Alright, and I'm going to put on this item and we're going to choose only pearls, and for the color you're going to apply this gold color for the first selection until the last selection. Okay, done, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.